Hello friends, in this video tutorial we discuss about the do while loop in C, and here I am using the code blocks as a IDE, and first I click on the file and then new and then select the project, and from the template I select the console application and then click on the go. From here I select the C language and then click on the next, and here I write my project title as a do while demo and then click on the next and then finish. My project displayed under the workspace, and simply explore the sources and then click on the main.c, and I delete simply this information, and I write here simply this is the demo of do while loop. Okay, and then here I am declaring the variable int I, and I am assigning the value I is a 1, and then I write here do and then opening and closing brace, and simply I write here the while and giving condition I less than equal 10 and then semicolon, and within the body part I simply write here the printf and simply %d comma I and then semicolon and then printf and providing the space and then I plus plus and then semicolon and then save it. Okay, look here, I am declaring here the variable or simply first here I am using the printf function, and this printf function simply print the message this is the demo of the do while loop onto the screen, and with the help of this slash n change the line and then semicolon, and here I am declaring a variable I and simply assign the 1 into the I, and here I write the simply do and then opening and closing brace, and here I am using while, and within this bracket I am simply giving condition I less than equals 10 and then terminated with semicolon. This is the syntax of do while loop, and this loop is also called the exit control loop because first control come into the body part and after that check the condition, and in my case I am giving here the I less than equal 10 means this loop continue until the value of I is less than or equals to 10, and this portion is called the body part, and within the body part I am write here printf function and then %d comma I means simply print the value of I, and this printf function simply provide the space blank space, and here I am incrementing the value of I as a 1, and let's see with start. Okay, I am simply assign the value as a 1 into the I, then control come into the body part of the do while loop and simply print the value of I as a 1 onto the screen, and then provide the space, and the value of I is incremented by 1, and in this time the value of I is after increment the value of I is 2, and check the condition, and the condition is true because the value of I is 2 and that is less than equals to 10, and control again come into the body part and print the value of I 2 onto the screen, and control again come here to this printf function, and this printf function provide the space, and here the value of I is incremented by 1. After increment the value of I is 3, control again come here and check the condition. Condition is true because the value of 3 is less than equals to 10. Control again come into the body part and print the value of I 3 onto the screen, and this printf function provide the space, and again the value of I is incremented by 1. In this time the value of I is 4, Control again come here, check the condition is true. Control again come into the body part and print the value of I as a 4 onto the screen, and this provide the space, and here the value of I is incremented by 1, and in this time after increment the value of I is 5, and control again come here and check the condition is true because the value of I is 5 and that is less than equals to 10. Control again come here and print the value of I as a 5 onto the screen, provide the space, and here the value of I is incremented by 1, and after increment the value of I is 6, and control again come here and check the condition is true because the value of I is 6 and that is less than equals to 10. Control again come into the body part and increment simply print the value of I as a 1, print the value of I as a 6 onto the screen, and this printf function provide the space. Control again come here and increment the value of I as a 1. After increment the value of I is 7. Control again come here and check the condition is true, and control again come into the body part and print the value of I as a 7, and this printf function provide the space, and here the value of I is incremented by 1. After increment the value of I is 8. Again control come here, check the condition is true. Control again come into the body part and print the value of I as 8, and this provide the space. Control again come here and increment the value of I as 1, and after increment the value of I is 9. Control again come here and simply check the condition is true because the value of I 9 that is less than or equals to 10, and control again come here and print the value of I as a 9 and provide this space, and this increment by 1, the value of I is incremented by 1. After increment the value of I is 10. Control again come here and check the condition is true. Control again come here and print the value of I as a 10 onto the screen and provide the space. Control again come here and increment the value of I as a 1, and after increment the value of I is 11. Control come here and check the condition is false because the value of I is 11 and that is not less than equals to 10. So loop is terminated, and the whole syntax of the do while loop is finally completed here, and I simply save it and run it. Okay, and it is taking little time, and a blank screen displayed here simply. Okay, I simply build this project. Okay, you look here, the first printf function simply print, this is the demo of the do while loop, and this loop simply print the value from 1 to 10 onto the screen, and the whole demo is completed here, and thank you for watching my video, and thanks a lot for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thanks a lot.